and welcome to Swag
and Sway
with Shaw
and Styles and Shimmers.
I am Grace Arun, an image consultant at Shaw, and I enrich the power of the personal appearance using both verbal and non-verbal means.
I am Anju Pandey, fashion designer and stylist at Styles and Shimmers. I design clothes as per customer needs, appearance, style and special occasions. Here we are using clothing as a resource
to achieve goals. So come, let's swag
and sway. So Grace, who is our guest today? And I believe that he's a very accomplished person.
Well, what do I say, Anju? The MD of Milkmade Foods India and the Royal Cafe Restaurants, which as you know is a famous chain of restaurants in Lucknow. A certified European pastry chef. Vice President of the Cosmetologist and Beauticians Association of India. Vice President of the Bread Manufacturing Association of India. Over and above that, he has more than 20 years when it comes to the running of hotels and bakeries. Besides all of that, he's an avid reader, a sports enthusiast, fitness freak, and someone who's into giving motivational talks as well as a lot of social work. Let me catch my breath here. And that's our guest for today. Please welcome Sundeep Ahuja.
So how are you, Sundeep?
I'm good, Anju. और आप लोग कैसे? How are you both?
We are also doing very well and really happy to have you on the show today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're really glad to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's totally my pleasure.
Let's have some tea.
I just love it.
So Sundeep, I was just thinking, since the first time we met, what has been the transformation that you have seen in yourself from a first impression perspective, both on the social as well as the professional front?
Whenever I used to get up, ready to get dressed, I would open my cupboard and I would actually see a black cloth on my cupboard. Because for me, making a combination dress that was impossible. So I would call my wife, Kia, please select a dress for me. And imagine every day calling her, and I used to feel handicapped, to be very honest.
True.
She's very loving and all, that's fine. But I would feel very handicapped here. And then I don't know from where I got to meet you. But after that, now Monday to Thursday, I know what I have to wear. It's mainly formals. And my mindset is also formals. Then I have to work. Friday, little jeans. Saturday, jeans. On Sunday, we are into sports. With my kids, I go out for sports for 3-4 hours. So Sunday, whole day we are wearing sports clothes. So it has become very much nonsense to my work,
Right.
Like Monday to Thursday, serious work, serious clothing. Friday, little easygoing. Saturday, very relaxed. On Saturday, I don't take any decisions.
Okay.
As a businessman or as an entrepreneur, my biggest work is to take decision. This. You have to choose one. On Saturday, I choose nothing. And my clothes is also like casual. I choose nothing.
Right.
I just wear this, that, baggy jeans. And I don't meet also people. And if I meet them, I say, I would like to apologize to you. Today is my Saturday. So I'm wearing very easygoing clothes. So don't judge me for
what I'm wearing.
Yeah.
I understand.
And on Sunday it's sports. Again, if I have to meet somebody, I tell them that today in my mind there's sports, there's physical activity.
Right.
So I'm wearing a cloth which is good for gym, for football, for cricket, whatever. And my kids are hanging on me. They're also wearing the same clothes and we have football, this, that. So you know what I'm trying to say?
Absolutely.
Clothes and fashion and mindset, they go all hand in hand for me.
Absolutely.
Absolutely hand in hand, to be very honest. And not many people can understand this, but once they'll start doing it, they'll understand the difference what a formal dressing makes to them,
Yes.
their attitude, and an informal and a casual. With the formal dress, you can never sit, like this.
True.
And with a casual, you can never sit like this.
Absolutely.
By
The impact
chance,
on body language
yeah,
as well.
it comes over. So it makes a difference and a hell of a difference. And I really want to thank you for giving your valuable time. Like past 3 years, you are helping me out, and whenever I have some issues, I ask you. So
It's
I
a
wanna-
pleasure, Sandeep.
Yeah.
I mean, knowing you has always been a great, thing for me as well in terms of learning. Wonderful.
The power of personal appearance is influenced by an ongoing process of image management, which is continuous.
As a professional, living and working in a highly complex and competitive society, Sandeep needs to know how what he wears affects the way he thinks, the way he acts, the way he behaves, and most importantly, the way others respond to him. And that is what is the importance when it comes to the attire that he dons.
This has to be in line with his values, ethics, rules, and goals.
So today, Sandeep is in a classic bespoke 3-piece suit, which comprises of a suit jacket, a waistcoat, and a trouser. When it comes to the style scale, he is on level 3, as he is wearing today a coordinated jacket and trouser.
The suit that he is wearing, the waistcoat is giving a slimming effect, plus it's giving a V taper. And the jacket is giving the whole silhouette the appearance of broad shoulders.
So let us now analyze Sandeep's outfit for the day as per the 5 elements of design, which is the fundamental basis of image management. The first one, and a very important element, is what we call line. I will draw your attention to the classic suit that is being worn by Sandeep today. The outer lines, which is the silhouette of the entire outfit, as well as the inner lines, which is to do with the pattern of the outfit, all of it are straight lines, vertical lines. And what it showcases is something which is to do with a lot of force, a lot of being in command, and a lot of authority.
The second element of design is shape. The suit that he is wearing right now is angular, and the jacket is curved at the base. Secondly, it is slightly close fitting, which gives him ample ease. Lastly, his body shape, as you can see, is an inverted triangle, which is the ideal shape for men. So the suit that he is wearing right now is accentuating his appearance and giving him a very nice look.
Third element of design, and I would say the most vibrant of them all, is color, and rightfully so. So today, if we are to see Sandeep's suit, what is used are dull tones, a combination of navy blue and candle, a very interesting mix. Now, dull tones have their own advantages because they are less intense and therefore can be easily coordinated with numerous colors. It's interesting to note the focal point that Sandeep has created using a maroon tie and maroon pocket square. One word of caution when you choose your set of colors. Please ensure that they suit your personal coloring just as Sundeep has done. When it comes to the overall color combination of his suit today, we see cool hues. And the interesting point to note on the color wheel is the placement of the colors navy blue and camel, which are complementary colors on the color wheel.
So the fourth element of design is texture. The fabric that he is wearing is pliable to firm. It is medium weight and it's an all-weather fabric, which is ideally used in all men's wear.
And finally, we come to the fifth element of design, which is called pattern. What we see on Sundeep's suit jacket is the typical geometric pattern, and what we see here are the classic wide stripes which we call chalk stripes. Now the entire direction in which the eye moves when we see vertical lines and in a pattern showcases a sense of length, and the message conveyed is that of absolute authority. Overall, a well put together suit which is stylish, trendy, oriented towards its roles and goals.
So Sundeep, it was a pleasure having you on our show.
Thank you so much for being with us.